Hello, welcome to LeadMaster. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your Info Center. The Info Center is the first thing you see when you log into LeadMaster. Let's start by editing the existing Info Center. This takes me to the editor. Let's start at the top. I can see a list of all of my Info Centers. I can have multiple Info Centers in LeadMaster. Each user can have their own unique Info Center, or I can have groups. So for example, perhaps all the field salespeople will have their Info Center. All the inside salespeople will have a different Info Center. This is the title that you see when you take a look at the Info Center list. If I would like this to be the default for everyone, I simply put this check mark, and everyone that does not have an Info Center assigned will see this Info Center. The heading will show up just above the Info Center on the home page. If you want one, it's optional. This is the editor. It's a full HTML editor. You can include videos, you can include images, links, you can have tables to organize it. It can get as fancy or as plain as you want. Now let's go to the Info Center list. We'll take a look at the Info Centers associated with this workgroup. I have ABC news feeds. These are widgets from ABC, and I simply did a copy and paste on the HTML. The one we were looking at a moment ago is the Field Sales Info Center. I've got the Inside Sales Info Center and YouTube training video. And this was simply a copy and paste from the embed code in YouTube. Let's see what each one of those looks like. In order to do that, I'll need to make this the default for my login, and then log in and log out. This is a news feed, a sports feed, and a science feed. When you see something you're interested in, all you have to do is click on the link, and it opens it in a new window for you. Let's take a look at another one. And here's my YouTube training video. If I want to, all I have to do is press play, and it streams the video right inside. If I need to delete an Info Center, all I do is go into Edit, and down at the bottom of the page, I use the Delete button. Assigning Info Centers to individual users is done through Logon Management, and that will be covered in another video. This concludes our video on managing the Info Center.